game plan.
God. Oh my God.
A bigger player chance hai. Shot comes in. Goal! Wait a minute. Japan has just done that. Sano ka shot hai mere bhaiyo. That's supposed to be a banger. हम बस अभी कह ही रहे थे यह बात कि जापान will have to take more shots, try to catch Alisson off guard. Japan have crushed the Brazilian hearts. Phenomenal goal है मेरे भाई यहाँ पे सानो का. This is no attacker, no striker, no. It is actually your defensive midfielder who has gone on to score. Sano comes into the midfield, scores a banger. The champions are 1-0 down. Wait, what a moment this is, bhayo. Are we looking at a major upset from Japan? Can they actually go on to do it?
Japan, good call. Oh! Oh my God, 1-0! Oh my God, 1-0! तेरी माँ को जापान! कुत्तों ने मार दिया! वो काउंटर पे मार के आ गया ब्राजील पे! Oh my God! Oh my God! No. No, it's not a good thing, Londo. They scored! Have a chance to create a short opportunity. Takes a shot. Japan! They have scored! Oh my God, Sano! Oh my God! Wow! भाई! 야마다 코다사이! 다떼봐요! My God, Jack! My God! 하지메 마시다 카이오 사와 사노 사와 하야 다떼봐요 बेटे oh my God भाई look यशूदी बल्ले oh my God the death note
Okay, Japan. Oh my God! What a goal for Japan! Oh,
Banger. That's a banger.
That's a banger, bhai. What a goal! Alisson beaten again. Yes. Long range.
Someone lost the ball in midfield.
This is what Japan
lost
do.
the ball in
Hi,
midfield.
sir. What a goal for Japan.
Good interception it was, huh? Good interception and then he took that ball.
Someone
Midfield
lost the
में
ball in
intercept,
midfield.
quick counter देगा.
Hi, sir. Japan have scored those.
Japan lead.
बहुत ही सही गोल.
Sano has scored.
Sano has scored.
Bhai साहब.
बहुत बड़ा टेस्ट आने वाला है ब्राजील.
Oh my
It's a
God.
huge test for Brazil.
Now you will see a different game.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
It's good for the game that
Yep,
this
good
has
for
happened.
really good goal.
एक मिस पास हुआ, they capitalized.
Oh! Holy Mother of Jesus! Oh my God! What have you done, Japan? What have you done, Japan? Oh my God! Oh my God, Japan! No.
Look at the dribbling and the technical ability. Great line! Oh my goodness, Japan! Vamos de Oh my goodness, look at the technical ability!
Walked right through the middle. Right through Bruno G.
Obrigado!
Who gave that sideways pass in the middle, bro? Danilo out.
Bro, it's as if we said it.
Ken, we're doing it, Ken. Blue lock.
No, we locking in.
Nah.
Cross again. Header out by Golet. Look at that. Look at that. Casemiro. The guy who has been doing that for so long for Manchester United has done the same. For Brazil, mere bhai, the most important goal has arrived. And Casemiro, the guy who was punished first half mein with that yellow card, poor performance, Casemiro has rose up. Casemiro has scored.
Pini! Cross! Header! Casemiro! Vamos, Brazil! बढ़िया Casemiro! Good one! Brazil 1-1! रिडेम्पशन आर्क लौंडो कार्लोस एनरिके कासिमिरो 5 चैंपियंस लीग तमीज से ऑफसाइड है रुक जा भी लेट मी
Out of the box. Good cross. Good cross. Brazil. Brazil equalize. Casemiro. Casemiro, dosto. Oh my God. Love it. We had it coming, chat. We had it coming. Oi, 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 oi. We had it coming, dosto. We had it coming. भाई यार गुड गोल भाई ये क्रॉस पे ही बजना था भाई क्रॉस पे ही बजना था भाई ओए होए 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 Brazil have pulled one back. Brazil have pulled one back, chat. 1-1. We had it coming.
Okay, charge! Goal!
Casemiro.
Redeems himself.
That's why he's on.
से
भाई इतनी देर से बोल रहे हैं ये डिफेंडिंग नहीं कर सकते तुम 90 मिनट तक. दिस इज नॉट द वे यू डिफेंड. दिस इज नॉट द भाई इतना अच्छा खेल रहे थे फर्स्ट हाफ में. क्या किया इन्होंने?
It was coming.
Great
क्या
goal.
किया
Last
इन्होंने
5 minutes
भाई?
में it was coming.
What a cross.
They got too deep.
Great goal by United legend. Come on.
भाई yes Baddy.
What about the cross from the Arsenal legend?
Papa getting too excited.
Relief.
Yes Baddy auntie. Let's go.
Relief in the
क्रॉस डाला कासेमिरो Uncle have scored. Uncle have scored. Uncle still got it. Baddy खुश, हम खुश. Yes. Let's go! Casemiro! 6-7. Come on, दोस्त. दद्दू. हमारे अंकल कासेमीरो. लेट्स गो दोस्तों. चलो भैया कैसेमीरो ने अपना काम तो कर दिया. लेट्स गो. कम ऑन कासेमीरो. ब्यूटीफुल. कर दे 6-7 कर दे. 6-7.
Casemiro.
Gabriel
No
assist.
offside, no
Is it
offside.
on? It looks on. Gabriel assist. Where's the offside? Holy forward started trying to staring you down too, bro. That's fucking crazy.
Game over.
It might be off, huh?
Game over.
Vavra didn't celebrate, so
Game over. Brazil came back and won the game.
let's see if
Now it's
someone's
just a
keeping him on.
formality.
Guimaraes. Martinelli! By Gabby! Martinelli! 95th minute winner! Absolutely destruction! The game so narrow, so close, separated by not a single goal. 90 plus 5th minute लगे यहाँ पे ब्राजील को अपना विनर निकालने के लिए. And that happened through none other than Gabriel Martinelli. We were confused what this guy would provide. We were confused what this guy would do. perhaps we didn't trust him as much as Carlo Ancelotti. Bhai, what a ball, what a position, what a goal.
गधेड़े एंड्रिक यार. ओ रयान ब्रूनो गिमाराइज, मार्टिनेली. Oh, Brazil scored. Brazil are going to the round of 16. Time. Brazil. बॉल लूज करी भाई ने यार. Ryan played that pass to Bruno Guimaraes. He played a beautiful ball to Martinelli. The change brought on by Ancelotti. We all questioned it. We all were like Neymar. No Neymar involved. No Neymar needed. जापान यार. जापान ने इतना रगड़ा हमारा पूरी सेकंड हाफ में. इतना रगड़ा.
Ball back, just outside the box. And up. Shot taken, Martinelli! Martinelli scores! Oh my God! Martinelli breaks the Japanese hearts. Oh my God, yaar. Why well played, Japan, but it is over. It is over, chat. It is over. It is over. Oh my God, why they have done it. By Suzuki almost saved that as well. Suzuki almost saved that as well. Oh my God, yaar. Wow. भाई kudos.
भाई कर दे, विनर मार दे. ब्राजील. मार्टिनेली. के जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में. हो गया भाई गेम ब्लर. अबे भाई ये मड्रिड है, मैं बता रहा हूं तुमको. ये मड्रिड है. डॉन कार्लो कहते हैं, डॉन कार्लो उसको. सर डॉन कार्लो. भाई एक मिनट बस ऑफ ना हो ये. नहीं ऑन. ओ प्यारा ऑन है. प्यारा ऑन है भाई.
Typical Real Madrid win for Japan. Typical Brazil. Typical Real Madrid win for Brazil.
Suzuki got a hand.
Typical Arsenal United have won this game.
Yes,
Arsenal have Man United have won this game for Brazil.
Newcastle assist.
Typical भाई Brazil ने दिखा दी. Ancelotti did.
Martinelli. 2-1 to Brazil. 2-1 to Brazil. What a goal by Brazil. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Beautiful bhai. What a goal by Brazil. What a goal by Martinelli. Wow. Beautiful.
मोरियासु congrats करते हुए यहाँ पे मोरियासु को. I think they can go with the head held high. पता है जापान भाई साहब जापानीज फैंस they are crying मेरे भाई. Carlo Ancelotti hugs मोरियासु. congrats करते हुए यहाँ पे मोरियासु को. I think they can go with the head held high. पता है Japan gave us a spectacle of a game, man. Respect to Japan for this fight. Respect to Japan for this commitment, grit, grind. Head in hand moment है यहाँ पे उनके लिए. ये team of Japan which goes from strength to strength. एशिया का नाम रोशन करते हुए, होप देते हुए कि भाइयों कि एक मोमेंट एक दिन ये पॉसिबल हो सकता है. बट भाइयों ब्राजील इज जस्ट ब्राजील. They may not be the best team in world football, but they were surely not gonna be beaten by Japan tonight. They've got just so many difference makers, man. They've got so many bowlers जो कि on the day difference बना सकते हैं यहाँ पे. If it wasn't for Vinicius Junior, it happened through Sano. It happened through Casemiro. It happened.
Japan is out of the World Cup. Brazil have qualified to the round of 16 World Cup के 2026. Carlo Ancelotti nonchalant, no celebration, eyebrows ऊपर, चुंगम मुंह में. भाई जो चैंपियंस लीग में करता आ रहा था, people counted him out, but he kicked Japan out of the World Cup. Moriyasu respectful, Japan respectful. नेमार की नीड नहीं पड़ी भाई. बिना नेमार के विनी, रायान, एंड्रिक and most importantly Martinelli of all the players made a difference. You have to feel sad about Japan भाई. Before I talk about Brazil का जीतना, Brazil ने करा, they were expected to, but the fact कि Japan भी ये गेम हारी and it's a disappointment proves how far this country has come, Londo. And भाई it's a shame भाई, it's a shame कि ये गेम हुई.
And it is over. It is over, chat. Brazil have done it. Brazil have done it, दोस्तों. Oh my God, what a top game, bhai. What a top game. Bhai saab, what a top game, bhai. Yeah, man. Heartbreak happens again. Heartbreak happens again. I know, chat, I know. But what a top game. My God, भाई, my God. स्पेन के लिए डर लग रहा है.
Great comeback. Oh God. What a game of World Cup knockout football, man.
Brilliant match.
मजा आया भाई.
बहुत मजा आया भाई.
I love FIFA World Cup, man. I love FIFA World Cup.
इमोशन ही नहीं आते भाई. FIFA World Cup.
अरे fucking hell भाई, कितना
यही दिखेगा भाई हर मैच में अब.
heart breaking scenes, man.
Because your dream is over now after 4 years. You planned for 4 years and your dream is over.
I
In
wish
injury time.
I wish Peter Drury commentate कर रहे होते इस मैच पे तो. यार
हमारे ड्रॉगबा का क्या काम है?
अरे
It happens to
मैं तो
Japan.
बैडी कर रहा हूँ यार.
Again and again.
बजा दी. Brazil have done it. They have done it. Don Carlo have done it. जापान की डेथ नोट फाड़ने वाला ये आदमी. They have done it. Latina baddie over Japanese cutie. और आफाम भाई 2-1. मैं बोला चैट को, मैंने भैया ने 2-1 की. बाइक के साथ में डॉन कार्लो.
Let's go! Good one, भाई, good one. Japan did not deserve to win आज का गेम भाई. Japan did not deserve to win आज का गेम. जिसको बुरा लग रहा है लगता रहे, but Japan did not deserve to win this game. There was only one team who wanted to win और वो intention second half में clear हो गए भाई. Second half में वो intentions clear हो गए. It was all Brazil and Brazil. Brazil created 4 big chances. ये देखो जरा stats, ठीक है? Look at that XG. Look at that number of shots भाई. Eyebrow raise ही कहते हैं लोंडो. Eyebrow raise ही कहते हैं लोंडो. समझ रहे हो तुम? बकचोदी नहीं करना कार्लो एंचेलोटी से. कार्लो एंचेलोटी ने दुनिया देख रखी है तुमसे और मुझसे बहुत ज्यादा. उस बंदे ने आज जापान को पूरी पिक्चर ब्लर करके दिखाई है, ठीक है ना? ये वाला गेम है ना, अब इसका लिंक आए